So it's still March 3rd, 2023, and this video is going to try to show underneath the car what it looks like. You can see the shackles, the springs. Those are all new shocks that I put on. Got a new gas tank also. But I believe that the sunning unit needs to probably be replaced, since the original in the dash fuel gauge doesn't work. But you can kind of see that I don't see any rust. I mean, areas like this you can kind of see like just a little bit of surface rust, but there's no corrosion. Then we'll jump over to the side, get the side view. And this video is looking backwards from the front. You can see the frame rail. And again, like I said, you can see a little surface rust here and there, but a lot of people just undercoat the bottoms of these to protect them. And it does leak just a little bit of oil also. Not much, but it does leak a little oil. It's like most big block Mopars leak a little something. And that's the end of the video. I'll take another video. Engine compartment.